bestie. Hi guys, and welcome to today's vlog. Guys, I actually don't think that I've vlogged since I've left uni. Like, that is so crazy to think about, you know. And now I'm in my big girl doctor job, trying to carve my own path as an ambitious 20-something-year-old. For those of you who are new here, my name is Lydie. I'm a UK doctor, content creator, founder, property investor. I do a bit of everything, and I'm so excited to take you guys kind of through what I'm getting up to and the long-term vision that I'm building towards as well. And for me, I guess that just means kind of prioritizing business growth and self-development as I kind of work towards my future, but also try and be present and enjoy the now, which is obviously a difficult balance to strike. Definitely anyone in adulthood can tell you that for free, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try together, and I'll be taking you guys on that journey with me in kind of today's vlog and any future vlogs that I do as well, if you guys like this type of content. But yeah, let me actually just update you guys on what I'm getting up to today. So today, one of my amazing friends is hosting like an influencer event for those of us in the medic space with a brand called Figs. They're a huge scrubs company that, you know, if they are giving away scrubs at this event, I'm not gonna complain. Do you get what I mean? That's kind of like why I got ready. I'm getting ready to go to that. I spent this morning doing some editing. I have so much editing to do these days. Me and Hazal literally launched a podcast. Check it out if you haven't already. I kind of did light makeup today, no foundation, no like falsies or anything, just super quick. I just have my edges left to do, and then I'm gonna run and get my train so that I'm not late to the event. I feel like it's the perfect way to end a very long week of being on the wards and my other commitments that I get up to as well. Oh my god. Guys, do you know what's actually taking me out? The fact that I'm actually in this cute little let's call it elegant, cute little elegant dress with my cute little flats, and then I've got these massive headphones that I feel like low-key spoiled the look, but it is what it is. Like, I definitely need to invest in some AirPods or earbuds or something, because these headphones completely dead the look. But it is what it is. We're heading to the event now. It starts at like 7ish. Super excited. I'm gonna also meet Hazal there, and probably some of my other content creator friends as well. I feel like that's one of the biggest blessings that I've gotten from, you know, putting myself out there and doing this whole creative venture, hustle, whatever you want to call it. The people you meet along the way. Like, guys, I've met so many amazing, ambitious women that are just so inspirational, encourage me to continue to go for all that I want in life. And yeah, I'm just so blessed to call them my friends. So guys, I just got off the train and I'm now making my way to the location. I'm walking through like a really nice part of London. I didn't know London could be cute sometimes. Because I was on the phone, she came straight from work from another city, and she still got there before me. Okay, I actually feel like I'm gonna get lost. I'm so bad at maps. Whenever me and Hazal travel, she's always the one doing the navigation, because I literally, even to go down the road, guys, I use Waze. I have to put on maps. Flowers look so cute. Such cute flowers. Reunited besties. Morning guys, today is day 2 of the vlog. I'm so sorry I didn't even have time to like give you guys a recap yesterday. I was so tired after the event. It was such a good event, so insightful, met lots of amazing people, also kind of reconnected with a lot of my friends in a creative space that I haven't seen in so long because final year of medical school was draining me, and of course work, you know, my big girl doctor job was a lot to settle into as well. So it was just really nice to just have that time to just be around like-minded people, other medics who are, you know, doing bits. Do you get what I mean? And of course Figs is such an amazing brand as well, so it was just really nice to get familiar with them and have really exciting conversations. Right now I'm literally waiting for Hazal. We're gonna go somewhere to do co-working. We have lots to do today. The main task is kind of to brainstorm our long-term goals as individuals, but also as an entity, you know, as Lydie and Hazal the brand, kind of what we want long-term, and then based off of that decide how that's going to inform our short-term decision making. So yeah, I think Hazal's here. Hey.
Hi guys, I've missed you. I love the hat, but it just doesn't suit me. I think you've done something to the hat.
No, I haven't.
The shape, this isn't.
I only wore it once, and then I kept it literally on a dome to not flatten it.
It's suiting me in New York. But
no,
now it's just like
no.
It needs to be a bit more like.
You always like this with your hats though, like. So guys, we found a gorgeous co-working space. It's literally so pretty, so aesthetic. I feel like when you have a good space to work in, it really, I don't know, for me it really does feed into my productivity and my ability to just kind of get into the zone. Do you get what I mean? And just get stuff done. Yeah, and let's make a to-do list now, and we need to get started because we have lots and lots of work to do. So guys, we are well on the way of our meeting. We just finished our meeting. It's literally nearly 1 o'clock and we've only crossed out one thing on our to-do list. Like, that's how detailed and tedious these things can get, but it's worth it in the long run. Do you get what I mean? Like, yeah, we may need to put a lot of hours in initially, but if the benefits of it is building the life we love, maximizing our potential and meeting amazing people along the way, as well as having amazing opportunities, I'm not complaining. So yeah, we're gonna continue to get through this to-do list and do what we gotta do. Hazal, do you have anything you want to say?
It's been good so far. Tiring in the sense of requiring lots of brain energy, but these days are really useful, especially because like I live in Coventry at the moment. Stuff like this is really important. So like to ensure that we're on the same page and we're aiming for the same thing as well.
Also looked into like our charity and stuff and all the exciting things we have for that, for Journey to Med. So yeah, it was just nice to kind of clear out the fog. I feel like when you don't have a clear plan and there's uncertainty, you don't know where you're heading, but now we know where we're heading. Me and Notion, yeah. Notion, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. I'm literally obsessed with your software. I'm on it every single day. So guys, we just finished our very productive co-working session. I am so tired.
I can't lie, I think we did like solid work for about 5 hours. I haven't done that in a long time.
Yeah, no, genuinely, maybe since not final year, we're just in a long time.
Yeah.
Since final year?
But that
no, we've
to-do
had
list
intense
was
work
tick,
sessions,
tick,
but
tick,
today
tick,
was
it
really
good.
Yeah, literally, we got through most of it, which I'm happy about.
Yeah, I even planned my week as well.
Yeah, but guys, I'm bloody hungry. I need to eat, genuinely. I haven't eaten since morning. I forgot to have breakfast. I had a breakfast bar.
That doesn't count. That's
I
a
know.
snack.
Do you know, it's like, you know, when it's like I have a lot to do, I'm just very much like,
Yeah,
go,
Lily's
go,
very
go,
like,
go,
I'd
let's
rather
just get through
complete
it.
everything and then eat.
Which is really bad.
I need my curiosity. Yeah, don't do what Lily does.
But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I actually don't know where we're eating just yet. But we're gonna go get we're gonna go get food. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. It was actually really fun vlogging this past 2 days.
Yeah.
And let me know in the comments if you want to see more vlogs, guys, because if you don't let me know, I don't know what you want to see.
I might vlog soon.
I don't know what you want to see.
I might vlog soon if you guys want to see it.
But yeah, we'll be sure to catch you guys in a new video very soon. Thank you so much for the support and the love, and continue to enjoy our content.
Bye. We didn't say bye.